Doing a review here on the 2-pack of kayak anchors from Lounsweer. The kit comes with storage bags. Storage bags have really good material, nicely done. The rope is about 3/8 inch diameter, really good diameter for an anchor rope, and the material is takes a knot and holds it quite well, like the rope. The clips are steel, very strong. The anchors themselves work great, deploy into place, nice finish. Going to get a lot of use out of these.